Behind these iconic red gates in Maranello, cars aren't just built, legends are born. This is the inner sanctum of Ferrari, where raw metal is transformed into a mechanical symphony that only a few truly understand. The story begins with fire. Molten aluminum, heated to over 700 degrees Celsius, is poured with surgical precision into sand molds. This is the exact moment liquid becomes solid, and raw heat begins its journey toward becoming pure power. In the world of the V12, there is zero room for error. Here, the dance between man and machine reaches its peak. High-precision robots move with micron-level accuracy, ensuring every valve and every gear operates in perfect harmony, as if they were a single living organism. But precision alone isn't enough. Ferrari believes an engine needs a soul, and that soul is placed there by the hands of master craftsmen. Every bolt torqued by hand, every prancing horse logo stamped, is a legacy of speed passed down through generations. And now, the moment of truth. Fuel flows, the spark ignites, and for the first time the engine roars. Blue flames, glowing manifolds, and a sound that shakes the very ground. This is how a Ferrari is born. This is how it conquers the world.